Another dua we should say, Allahu Allahu Rabbi la sharika lah. Allah, Allah, my Lord, He has no partner at all. In a hadith we learn that kana idha ra'ahu shay'un, that when something frightened the Prophet ﷺ, and something worried him, then he would say, Allahu Allahu Rabbi la sharika lah. Allah, Allah, my Lord, He has no partner at all. Another dua we should say, Auzu Bikalimatillahi Tammati min Sharri ma Khalaq. And when something frightens you, then especially say these words, that I seek refuge in the perfect words of Allah from the evil of what He has created. We learn in a hadith that when a person is traveling and they stop somewhere, whether it is to, stay for some time or to, rest overnight, or, for example, you stop at a hotel, or for instance, you are driving and you stop at a store, anything like that, you should say at that time, Auzu Bikalimatillahi Tammati min Sharri ma Khalaq. Then anything that is harmful or dangerous in that place will not harm the person until he leaves from there. And for the entire duration that you are in that place, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will protect you. And sometimes it happens that, for example, you enter into a hotel room and you think, oh, maybe there's jinn over here, shayateen over here, maybe there's a snake under the bed, or some bed bugs, or spiders, or something, whatever that frightens us. Anything that frightens us, say this dua, Auzu Bikalimatillahi Tammati min Sharri ma Khalaq. And these days especially, for example, you enter into a closed space, you enter a restaurant, a store, a doctor's office, anything, and you are afraid that what if there's someone who has the virus, and what if it's lingering in the air, and what if I inhale it, and what if I get infected, what if it's on the door handle, and it gets on my hand, or maybe it's on the chair, maybe it's in the food. You don't always see the dangers, right? Sometimes you can see things that are dangerous to you, and other times you cannot see them. You cannot. It's not possible. So you ask Allah that, Ya Allah, you protect me. Auzu Bikalimatillahi Tammati min Sharri ma Khalaq. From the evil of what He has created. Because everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created, many things in this world are such that there is benefit in them, and there's also something evil, or something that could potentially be evil for you. Not that it is created as pure evil, no, but it could be harmful for you. So for example, a knife is very beneficial, right? A sharp knife especially is very useful. In fact, it is safer to use a sharp knife than a blunt knife. Why? Because a sharp knife will cut quickly, properly, and so it's safer. But at the same time, a sharp knife can also be very, very dangerous. So there is benefit, there is khair, and there is sharr. So anything that frightens you, whether it is chopping food in the kitchen, or it is driving, because of course if you're driving, now it's possible that you end up in an accident. These things can happen. There is sharr. So you ask Allah that, Ya Allah, you protect me from the evil. Any evil, big or small. Whether I know of it or I don't know of it. I can see it, I can't see it. Whatever it is, Ya Allah, you protect me. I am not able to protect myself. And really, we are not able to. How much can we do to shelter ourselves? It's not in our capacity. It's not. So it is only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who can guard us, who can protect us. So ask Allah to do that for you.